This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual-zone climate control, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 17,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.